Every leadership decision has a ripple effect. Choosing your IT partner is one of the most important ones. Technology should move your business forward, not slow it down. But unpredictable support, unclear communication, and constant interruptions keep teams from doing their best work. You deserve more than ticket takers. You deserve a partner who understands how your organization operates and helps you plan for what's next. At Stability, we bring structure to complexity. We align your IT with your business goals, strengthen your security, reduce downtime, and give you visibility into the things that matter. And we communicate in a way your leadership team can trust. From healthcare to manufacturing to professional services, our clients rely on us to keep operations running, teams productive, and data protected, not just today, but every day. When technology works the way it should, your people can focus, your plans stay on track, your business moves forward. If you are evaluating your IT strategy, we are ready to show you a better way forward. Contact us today at 309-310-6645. Again, that's 309-310-6645. Or by email at sales@stabilityit.net. Stability, IT that works, so you can too.